Hi everyone, in this video we will solve x plus x divided by x times x is equal to 1. Let's start the solution of this question. X plus x is 3x divided by x times x is x square times x is x cube is equal to 1. By cross multiplication we can write this as 3x equals x cube subtract 3x on both sides of the equation is equal to x cube minus 3x. Plus 3x minus 3x cancel, we have x cube minus 3x is equal to 0. Can we take x common from both the terms? Yes, we can take x common. Here we have x square minus 3 is equal to 0. So either x will be equal to 0 or this x square minus 3 equal to 0. This is the first value of x, which is 0. Here it is x square minus 3 equal to 0. We can write this as x square minus square root of 3 whole square, because if we cancel square root square we are back to the same equation equal to 0. What is this? A square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So it will be x minus square root of 3 times x plus square root of 3 is equal to 0. Either this will be equal to 0 or this will be equal to 0. First we will solve this case. Add square root 3 on both sides, we get the second value of x, which is plus square root of 3. Now moving to this case, we subtract under root 3 on both sides, we get the third value of x, which is this. So we have x equals 0 square root 3 and minus square root 3. Now we will check these values whether it verifies the given equation or not. We will take first x equals 0. For the verification process we have given x plus x divided by x times x equals 1. Here x is replaced by 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 divided by 0 times 0 times 0 equal to 1. This is 0 by 0 undefined form, which is not equal to 1. So we will reject the value of x equals 0 because the given equation does not verify if we put x equal to 0. This is the extraneous root. So now we will check the plus square root 3. X equals plus square root of 3. We have x plus x divided by x times x equals 1. So this is square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 times square root of 3 times square root of 3, 1. This will be equal to 3 times square root of 3, and square root of 3 times square root of 3, this is square root of 3 whole square, times square root of 3, 1. This will be equal to 3 times square root of 3, square root cancel with square, we have 3 square root of 3, 1. Cancel with this, and 1 equal to 1 means left hand side equal to right hand side, and our value of x equals plus square root of 3 is true, and this is verified. Now we will check further. X equals minus square root of 3. We have x plus x divided by x times x times x, 1. Replace x by minus square root of 3, minus square root of 3, minus square root of 3 divided by minus square root of 3 times minus square root of 3 times minus square root of 3, 1. Minus 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 will add up with the negative sign, 3 square root of 3, and minus minus plus square root of 3 whole square times minus square root of 3, 1. Minus 3 square root of 3 divided by square root cancel with square, this is 3 square root of 3 and minus, as you can see that cancel with this, 1 equals 1 means left hand side equal to right hand side. So the final value of x will be plus square root of 3 and minus square root of 3. There are two values of x which verify the given equation. X equals 0 does not verify, it is extraneous root. So the final answer is this. And I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.